Hello everyone, this is Chloe from BOCI Laser. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first episode of a challenge to introduce a model of our machine.
5 minutes.
Let me introduce our top-selling model, G-Series. Will you still be troubled by finding a high-quality cutting machine? Today we can provide a one-stop solution for you. Use this machine. This series machine has single working table and is open type. The power range from 1.5 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, 20 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. And they also have many different size working tables. We have 3015G, 4015G, 6015G, 6020G, 6025G available for you to choose. Let me introduce our 3015G machine for you. The G series is equipped with the global version of Raycus laser source, Cypcut system, BOCI cutting head and tail duct servo motor. The Cypcut system and BOCI cutting head belong to the same company, so they are more match. The protective license of BOCI cutting head has an independent list to ensure easier change and repair. This series machine uses the 10mm thin steel pad. The weight of the bed reaches a terrifying 1,500 kilograms. The load bearing is extraordinary and the bed operation is very stable. I know all of you might care about the smoke removal, so let me see how we solve this problem. The bed is divided into 8 independent areas, each with a fender. Each fender will open or close automatically as the cutting head moves. Accurately combat smoke and dust intrusion on the cutting head and reduce the loss of protective license. And the maximum linkage speed can reach 155 meters per minute. Another secret to keeping the machine running smoothly is that we use the widest guardrails in the industry, with a width of up to 35 millimeters. This device is similar to the engine of the car and the heart of the human being. This is an independent distribution cabinet, which includes the servo motor and electrical components of the machine. We have a pre-installed wiring design that lets you connect the power supply easier. I think that this design is absolutely unique in the industry. After the machine arrives, you only need to connect this design to independent distribution cabinet and the power supply started. I call it one-touch start. This little lubricants makes or breaks this machine, just like the lubricants in your needs that automatically generates fluid to allow you to run and jump. This device automatically lubricates the wheels and the racks. It makes the machine run smoothly like butter on a hot pan. Follow me to back of the machine. There are a small device that greatly affects the machine's cutting effect. This is our standard filtering device, including nitrogen filter and oxygen filter. When the guides pass through this, impurities, oil, and water can be filtered out. The cutting effect will be more amazing. Look at this small device. This is our setting wheel. It's different from traditional bias wheel. It has a stronger load bearing capacity, and outside loading is more quick and convenient. Okay, do you have some understanding of our 3050G model? Finally, don't forget like, comment, and subscribe 快。This is Chloe. Bye.